today I'm going to teach you how to shuffle, cleanse, and pull cards from your tarot deck. This is a Rider-Waite deck I got for $15 off of Amazon. So let's get started. First, to cleanse your deck in between readings, I recommend doing this before every reading. You knock it on a surface like I'm on my bed right now, so I can't really demonstrate that well, but I'll usually knock it on a table or knock on it, just knock a few times. Some people like to fan it out and blow on it, but I generally don't do that. I just knock it on something or knock on it if I don't have a good surface to knock it on. Then while you're shuffling, try to think of the question you want to ask or say it out loud. I'll demonstrate it by saying it out loud. Then I'm just going to go over what you do before I start demonstrating. So then you either pull a few cards off the top. You can pull it, fan it out, pull out of the middle of the deck, or you can just keep shuffling until some cards fall out. I usually let a few cards fall out, and if that doesn't happen for a little while, I'll just pull off the deck. So just keep shuffling until you feel like it's time to stop and you want to pull off the top of the deck or the middle or however you're going to do it. So I'm going to demonstrate how I shuffle. So I take a good size handful of cards and I hold it, my middle and my index and my ring finger here, pinky just kind of out there, index finger here and thumb here. So I just kind of let them fall. I just drop them and let them fall however they want. Sometimes I'll take a bigger chunk to try to get some to fall out of the deck, and sometimes I'll just take a little bit. So I usually ask my questions in my head, but let's just do it out loud. How will my day be today? How will my day be today? How will my day be today? Since no card, I usually might do it for longer, but since no cards are falling out, I'm just gonna pull a card, and I got Judgment. So I guess there's going to be some sort of healing today. So you can pull as many cards as you need for your tarot spread. Like, however many cards are in your spread you could pull, or you could, just pull as many cards as you want. And then after I'm done, I usually shuffle a few times, and then the next time before I start the reading, I knock on it or knock it on something, and then shuffle it again while asking the question. Also, before pulling a card, once you finish shuffling, you could just sit there and think or say out loud your question. How's my day gonna be? So that is how you shuffle tarot cards. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.